Okay, in the last one, we took a look at how to add push notifications and how to add pop-ups. You see we have our pop-up and our push notification showing up here because we have it in our text at the bottom. And so now what we want to do is we want to go to our campaign settings. I had recorded this part before, but then had a microphone malfunction, and so I'm recording it again. So some of this is already typed in, so I'm just going to explain it. This is your basic campaign name. This is displayed for visitors, so you want to make sure that you have it something that fits your app or your tab or your store. This is your page title, page language, and page language direction. Unless you're Japanese or some other language that's right to left, you're going to leave it on LTR, left to right. Sharing is very important. This is when you share it, what is the title of the link that you share going to be called. This is the description that is going to show up in the link description when you share it, and this is the image that is going to show up. So I already uploaded my image. You just click on this button to select your default image, and then anytime the link that you have is shared, this is going to be the information. This is all the metadata. So this is the picture that's going to show up, this is the description for the link that's going to show up, and this is the link. Now, unless you get the paid version, your link will also include short stack app inside. Here are the mobile options. You shouldn't mess around with this unless you are a programmer or developer and know what you're doing. Force tablets to be treated as desktop, same, just don't worry about those. Default mobile location, you can leave that on US or change it if you want. This is the basic background colors. Embedding, this is if you only want certain domains to be able to embed it. Because before I showed you, you could get the code for embedding this campaign, this app, the store app on your website or another place. You can enter your domain, so only your domains that you put here, only those domains will be the only domains that the store is allowed to be embedded on. And here is more CSS, and if you want to blacklist referring domains, you can blacklist it, but that's premium. So you don't really have to worry about that. Now your customized text, this is when different things are asked of the person, like if they're asked to log in with Facebook. If you don't want it to say log in with Facebook, if you want it to say something different, like, then you can change your different text that you have for the basic app and campaign there. So these settings are very important. Don't forget to go through these before you publish your app. And every time you make some changes, you'll come up here and publish changes. So now when we go to publications and let's copy this link. We'll copy it and let's go over to the page. And you see here, that is the text and the title and the image that I was showing you that will show up when you share it. Now, one thing a lot of people don't know is after the image and the link shows up, you can delete this. You don't even need that link in there. You can just add your nice little text talking about it, and when people click on the image, the link, then they'll go there. Some people like to include it just in case someone thinks it's an image post and not a link post, but I haven't had any problems. I always delete my URL and just leave the image and it's fine. So that's how you create your text and image and link and edit all your settings for the app. And it's all pretty easy to use. You'll just have to play around a little bit inside of it, but once you get comfortable inside of here, you'll be able to create some pretty cool apps and some things that have some very good functionality, and you'll be able to engage users better and make their user experience even more engaging, which is always great. You always want to engage your customers, engage your clients. The more you can engage your target audience, the better. Okay, in the next section, we're going to talk a bit about promoting your app. So I'll see you there.